Today we are going to learn the basic vocabulary, basic N5 vocabulary, so which we call it as tango. So remember to spell and speak in Japanese, which would be very convenient, easy for you. Minnano, NIHONGO, vocabulary. Okay, so let's see the very simple vocabulary from Minnano Nihongo, the basic Jlpt N5. So the very first vocabulary here is watashi, which is I. Watashi, I. Okay, so you can also call it as ore, boku, atashi, or watakushi. Are, boku, atashi, watakushi. Next. Watashi tachi, which is we. Watashi tachi, which is we. Next. Anata. Anata, which is you. Anata, you. Watashi is I. Watashi tachi is we. Anata is you. So coming to the next word. Next it is anohito, that person. The more polite form is anokata, which is more polite for that person. Next it is san, which is a prefix or suffix used for Mr., Miss. Okay. Next. So san, it is used as a suffix for person's name, or you can call simply san. For example, Sangeeta san, Koji san, Kiran san, like that. Next it is chan, suffix for child name. So kun, suffix for a boy's name. Next, jin, suffix meaning Nihonjin, meaning a national of. I am a national of Indian. India Jin, which is I am an Indian. Nihonjin, the Japanese person. So coming to the next. Sensei, teacher, teacher or instructor. or you can also tell them as kyoshi in order to refer the profession of a teacher. Anata wa kyoshi desu. Rin-san wa kyoshi desu. So Rin is teacher, working as a teacher. When you are referring one's own job, watashi wa kyoshi desu. Watashi wa kyoshi desu. So referring to one's own job, if you are referring your job, that is kyoshi. Referring to the one's own job. So sensei is if you want to call a teacher, sensei. If you want to tell some other's profession as a teacher, then you can tell it as sensei. Kyoshi is when you want to tell your profession. For example, watashi wa kyoshi desu. If you want to tell your profession, you will be telling it as kyoshi. Gakusei, student. So once again, watashi, I, or you can also call it as ore, boku, atashi, or watakushi. You can also tell in this way. Watashi tachi, we. Anata, you. Anohito, that person. The polite form will be anokata, more polite. San, which is a suffix added for Mr., Mrs. and Mistress. Chan, suffix for child name. Kun, suffix for boy's name. Jin, suffix for the nationality. Nihonjin, Japanese person. Sensei, teacher or instructor. Kyoshi, teacher, referring to one's own job. Gakusei, student. So these are the words in Nihongo. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Please do subscribe.